Evening, respected chairperson, panelist. At first, my gratitude and thanks to All India Ophthalmology Society to giving us chance to join this prestigious virtual platform. My topic is flex has advantages over manual phacoemulsification. I am Dr. M. D. Mustaq Ahmed, Associate Professor, National Institute of Ophthalmology. I have no financial disclosure. History and nationality, laser have been utilized in cataract surgery since the 1970s by Krasnov. Accuracy and precision in cataract surgery becoming concerned with premium intraocular lens depends more on precise centration for optimal performance. Femtosecond laser allows to precise cutting of tissue with minimal collateral damage. It provides an ultra-fast burst of energy which acts by photodisruption of the tissue. And it generates plasma, which causes a shock wave, cavitation, and bubble formation. The bubble expands and collapses, leading to separation of the tissue. FDA approved femtosecond laser for LASIK in 2001 and for cataract surgery in 2010. Medica Catalyst uses in our institution. Important factors for good surgery and perfect visual outcome depends on well-constructed incision, good capsulorhexis, using less phaco energy, and managing astigmatism. Sometimes manual clear corneal incisions may causes imprecise tunnel length and geometry, and which causes wound gap and increase the chance of infection, and also causes surgically induced astigmatism. Shows some improper incision causes defective wound healing, produce wound gap, which significantly decrease good surgical outcome. There is a side port and main two-plane incision which should be well constructed to self-sealing, otherwise may cause complication. In some studies shows that and prove that effective lens position is very much important for proper accurate visual outcome. It should be round, centered, and just smaller than the IOL optic diameter. And femtosecond laser, by femtosecond laser, it is possible to do very good capsulorhexis. This is normal phaco capsulorhexis, may irregular and run out. Especially in white cataract, it is very difficult to do good capsulorhexis to make it center, round, regular, and adequate in size. Sometimes it is run away laterally. There is peripheral extension occur, which causes posterior capsular rupture and may very difficult to do continue phacoemulsification, may need to convert to small incision cataract surgery, and may cause a devastating condition, posterior capsular rupture. In that cases, some surgeons want to do double rhexis, which is actually need very skilled surgeon, very difficult to do. For that cases, so femtosecond laser is very good for do proper capsulorhexis. Lens fragmentation. Lens fragmentation is very important role to prevent complication. It is very crucial to break the nucleus and save power and time for good surgical outcome and prevent complications. Some studies shows in femtosecond laser surgery, 51% reduction of average phaco time and 43% reduction of effective phaco time in case of femtosecond laser surgery. So it is when it is tremendously help to clear cornea just after operation. In hard cataract, during scalping, need high energy and need more time and very difficult to break it and may causes some complication like corneal edema and may delay the patient rehabilitation. Here is another one, grade 3 plus cataract, forming the central crater, which also need very high energy and more phaco time is needed, more chance of post-capsular tear, corneal edema, and delayed patient rehabilitation, which causes decreased patient expectation. So, femtosecond laser offers a new level of precision and reproducibility in ophthalmic surgery, help to optimize the capsular and corneal incisions. The steps are capsulorhexis, lens fragmentation, main incision, side port incision, and corneal relaxing incision. First step is docking. It needs precise docking for optimum laser firing. Precise incision is possible by femtosecond laser. This is patient summary. Capsulorhexis is first important step for phaco surgery. No capsulorhexis, no phaco. It causes very precise shape, size, and centration of the rhexis, which causes symmetrical uniform fibrosis and healing, leading to consistent effective lens position, which is very important for postoperative visual outcome. This is comparison between manual and phaco femto laser assisted capsulorhexis. This is very round central capsulorhexis with good position of the IOL in comparison to manual phaco. So, in case of femtosecond laser surgery, nucleus management need very less energy. Scalping is skipped, less effective phaco power, so less compression is produced, so less complication. This is marking for femtosecond laser. We are showing capsulorhexis. Then after docking, it's showing OCT images of the anterior segment. Then laser is started, capsulorhexis, quadrant, softening of the nucleus, and incisions is given by the femtosecond laser. After that, very good circular rhexis and softening of the hard nucleus, and very easy to remove. Very easily remove nuclear fragments here. And another video, very center round capsulorhexis with softening of the hard nucleus, and who is easily removed by vacuum, no need of power, less effective phaco time, and so visual rehabilitation is very good and patient expectation is fulfilled. This is another video. Okay, some study shows that in femtosecond laser surgery, lower effective phaco time, less endothelial cell damage, and less edema after surgery. Contraindications are small palpebral aperture, sunken eyes, large nose, and small pupils, along with other contraindications. Advantages of flex: better quality of incision with reduced induced astigmatism, increased reliability and reproducibility of the capsulotomy with increased stability of the implanted lens, reduction in the use of ultrasound at nucleus management. It is very costly, need very trained staff, need more operating time, and patient expectation is very high. Patient selection should be selected patient with proper counseling. Patient should be motivated with realistic expectation. Need very trained, skilled hand and skilled surgeon. Thank you very much for patience hearing.